ECDL Advanced, Excel, Lesson 70, Text Functions. The ampersand symbol, that's the AND symbol, or the concatenate function, can be used to connect the contents of two or more cells that contain text. Other text manipulation functions are used to extract parts of text entries. Left extracts characters from the left. Right extracts characters from the right. Mid extracts characters from the middle, so you specify a starting position and a number of characters. And trim is used to tidy up data entry by removing space from an entry, leaving only one space between words. Okay, if you open the workbook Strings, on the Strings sheet, in G4, enter the formula equals A4 and, that's the ampersand symbol, B4 ampersand C4. The words in these cells, A4, B4 and C4, are joined together but with no spaces. In G5, enter the function equals A5 ampersand double quotes space double quotes ampersand B5 ampersand double quotes space double quotes ampersand C5. Now each set of speech marks is around one space. This will add spaces between the text, as shown. The function concatenate can be used to achieve the same result. In G6, enter the formula equals concatenate open brackets A6, comma, double quotes space double quotes, comma, B6, comma, double quotes space double quotes, comma, C6, and then close the brackets. And this will achieve exactly the same effect as we did in cell G5 above for Mrs. Freddie Smith. We've just entered functions directly. This avoided the need to select a function and use the function arguments dialog box. It is quicker to do it this way, providing you know the arguments that are required. Okay, let's copy G6 up to G5 and G4. Right-click, copy, paste. The ref number, or reference number, is to be made up of the initials of the customer added to the invoice number. So, in F4, enter the function equals left open brackets B4 comma 1 close brackets ampersand left open brackets C4 comma 1 close brackets ampersand D4. So what this should do is take the first letter from the left of B4, which is the J, and straight afterwards the first character from C4, which is the B from blogs, and then on the end of it is going to be the whole of D4, which is 2334. Okay, let's press enter, and we now have our reference, which is JB, the initials for Joe Blogs, 2334. Okay, let's copy the formula that we've used in F4 and paste it to F5 and F6. The stock list in cell A11, which is currently 0543 capital B capital W 00521, is made up of a part number, that's the first 4 characters, the initials of the person who checked it, that's the BW, and the amount in stock, which is the last 5 characters. In cell B11, enter the formula which is going to extract the first 4 characters. In other words, the part number. And to do that, equals left, open brackets, A11, comma 4. It will take the first 4 characters of the contents of cell A11. In cell C11, we want to enter a formula to extract the initials of the person who checked the item. So for this one, we're going to use the mid function, and it's going to be equals mid, open brackets, A11, comma 5, comma 2, close brackets. So this will look for the 5th character along in A11, which is the B, and will select 2 characters from that starting point. So in other words, it will select the B and the W. In cell D11, enter the formula to extract the last 5 characters. That's the number of items in stock. And for this one, we're going to use the right function. So it's equals right, open brackets, A11, and we want the last 5 characters, so it's comma and then 5. Close the brackets, and this is now going to extract the last 5 characters of cell A11. In cell A15 is an example of a driving license number. In cell B15, we want to use the mid function to extract the date of birth. The day is characters 9 and 10, that's the 2 and the 9, 29. The month is characters 7 and 8, which is the 0, 5. And the year is characters 6 and 11, that's the 3 and the 6. So the date of birth in this particular case is the 29th of the 5th, 36. So equals mid, open brackets, A15, comma 9, comma 2. So that will extract from A15 2 characters starting from character number 9, so in other words characters 9 and 10 for the day. We then want to put in a forward slash, so double quotes, forward slash, double quotes, ampersand again. Now we're looking for the month, which is characters 7 and 8, so it's mid, open brackets, A15, comma 7, comma 2, close brackets, ampersand. Then we want another forward slash, so double quotes, forward slash, double quotes, ampersand. Now, for the year, we want characters 6 and 11. So, mid, A15, comma 6, comma 1. We just want the 1 character that's in position 6. And directly after it, so ampersand, we want character 11. OK, and when we press enter, we will get the correct date extracted, which is the 29th of the 5th, 36. OK, if we copy the formula that we've put in cell 15 and copy it to B16. And what we find is for the second person, the date of birth is the 28th of the 10th, 57. There's the 28. There's the 10. And the 57 is made up of the 5 and the 7 over here. Okay, let's display the text sheet. This shows a small list of names where spaces have been captured in error. To tidy the display, the trim function can be used. In cell C4, enter the function equals trim, open brackets, B4, close brackets. And this will take out any redundant spaces. Okay, let's copy the function from C4 down the column to C12. To see the effect of trim in greater detail, the range B4 to B12 has been copied to the starting cell B15. Highlight the range B15 to B23. Display the Home tab. Click Find and Select, and then Replace. In the Find What box, enter a space, and in the Replace box, enter a hash. Click Replace All, and then click OK. Then close your dialog box. This shows where the spaces were. Okay, so we've looked at using the ampersand symbol or concatenate to connect the contents of two or more cells. We've used the left function, the right function, the mid function, and finally we've just looked at the trim function. I hope you find this of use as you manipulate various text strings. Please close the workbook without saving, and I look forward to seeing you next time when we're going to be discussing financial functions. Okay? I look forward to seeing you then.